Hi, Craig Tarana with Douglas Nance Teak Furniture, offering an assembly video for our Adirondack chairs. If you have purchased one of our 12 different Adirondack chair models, you now own the finest teak Adirondack available. An assembly is very simple. Most of our Adirondack models arrive in 4 sub-assembled parts: one seat, one back, and 2 leg arm assemblies. All are fastened together with high quality solid brass fittings. The method I suggest for assembly is first turn the seat on its side, then attach the arm legs to the seat. You're 75% done. Next, turn the chair upright with all legs on the ground. Fit the backrest into place and insert the bolts as required. Once all parts are in place, then tighten the bolts. Yay! 100% done. If you ever have any questions about our products, we can be reached at douglasnance.com.